Hi everyone. Today we are taking a closer look at the engineering, vision and challenges behind the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River is one of those projects that shows what long-term engineering vision actually looks like. It took decades of planning, multiple states coming together, massive construction challenges, environmental debates, political negotiations, and yet India built it. Today, it stands as one of the largest multi-purpose water projects in the country, changing the lives of millions across Western India. Let's break down how this mega project came to life, why it was built, and the scale of engineering behind it in a simple, clear, video friendly way. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is located at Kevadia, Gujarat, across the Narmada River, which flows through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat before entering the Arabian Sea. The dam is part of the Narmada Valley Development Project, a massive plan involving several dams across the Narmada Basin. Construction wasn't a short journey. Planning began in 1961, actual dam construction picked up in 1987, and the project reached completion in 2017. That's almost 6 decades of development, approvals, and engineering work. The dam is a concrete gravity dam built to hold back and control the enormous flow of the Narmada River. Here are the stats that truly show the scale. Height of the dam is 163 meters, whose length is approximately 1.2 kilometers. Its gross storage capacity is 9.5 billion cubic meters. The live storage capacity is 5.8 billion cubic meters, and the reservoir area is about 375 square kilometers, and design lifespan is about 100 plus years. These numbers immediately place it amongst the largest dams in Asia in terms of volume and capacity. But the real magic lies in what the project delivers to people on the ground. The biggest purpose behind the Sardar Sarovar Dam was straightforward: bring water and electricity to the driest regions of Western India. Large parts of Kutch, Saurashtra, North Gujarat, and several pockets of Rajasthan faced chronic droughts for decades. Agriculture was suffering, groundwater levels kept dropping, and villages depended on water tankers for survival. The dam was designed to solve this at scale. The project brings irrigation to about 18 lakh hectares of land across Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. What was once dry land is now used for farming, with many regions shifting to double cropping because they finally have a dependable water source. More than 3 crore people across 8,000 plus villages now get treated drinking water through the Narmada Canal system. In districts like Kutch, people actually saw running water in pipelines for first time because of this dam. The project generates 1450 megawatt of clean hydropower, of which 1200 megawatt at Riverbed Powerhouse and 250 megawatt at the Canal Head Powerhouse. This electricity is shared across the western states, strengthening the region's energy supply. Because of the dam's huge reservoir and controlled release system, the Narmada's monsoon floods can be managed safely, protecting downstream settlements. Building one of India's biggest dams wasn't just about pouring concrete. Several technical, administrative, and environmental challenges had to be solved step by step. 4 states needed the Narmada's water, and deciding who gets how much was a massive challenge. This led to the formation of the Narmada Water Disputes Tribunal in 1969. It took about 10 years, and in 1979, the final award was declared, clearing the path for construction. To move water across hundreds of kilometers, engineers built the 458-kilometer long Narmada Main Canal extending from Gujarat into Rajasthan. This canal, along with branch canals, distributaries, miners, and subminers, forms one of the largest canal networks in India. It delivers water directly to villages and fields. Some regions sit at higher altitudes, so engineers built high capacity pumping stations to lift water upward. This required advanced electrical and hydraulic design. Creating a 163-meter high gravity dam needed millions of cubic meters of concrete. The dam's design ensures stability during peak floods, heavy monsoons, and seismic activity. The reservoir, spread across 3 states, requiring relocation of families and villages. It became one of the largest R&R programs in history. The project involved continuous involvement of Narmada Control Authority, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra state governments. For parts of Kutch and Saurashtra, this project shifted agriculture from risky single-season farming to multi-season crops. Farmers now grow cotton, wheat, fruits, vegetables, increasing income and stability. Villages that once dependent on water tankers now receive piped drinking water consistently. Health, sanitation, and daily life improved significantly. The 1450 megawatt generated is clean power, strengthening the western grid and reducing dependence on thermal plants. With stable water and power, industries could finally grow in water scarce districts. With the opening of the Statue of Unity, the region has become a global tourist attraction, bringing hotels, jobs, infrastructure, and new economic opportunities. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is internationally recognized for large-scale interstate water management, mass irrigation planning, long-distance canal networks, complex resettlement planning, renewable hydropower integration. Many developing countries still study it as a case of transforming drought regions through integrated river valley development. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is more than a structure. It's a symbol of what strong planning and long-term engineering vision can achieve. It turned drought-hit villages into water-secure zones, brought clean power to millions, and built one of India's strongest canal networks. For many regions in Western India, this dam didn't just bring water, it brought stability, opportunity, and a better future. If you love deep dives into India's biggest engineering projects, make sure you follow for more insightful videos. Also share this with someone who should know how infrastructure like this is shaping the future of our country. Thank you. See you all in the next video.